Hi all, welcome to my channel, welcome to my world. This is the world of Wayne. How the devil are you? How was Christmas? Hopefully really good. I enjoyed Scotland. I'm back from Scotland now. And as I promised you just before Christmas, I'm going to be showing you box 2, which is the second Starship in the Starships collection from Fanhome. We're going to be looking at the USS Stargazer. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be putting a link on the screen, which I believe is down here. You've got a US and a UK link. You will need to check the Fanhome website to see if subscriptions are now active again in your country. I believe in the UK it's going to be February, but also keep checking that little link out because they do sometimes have singular versions of this that you can buy just the ship that you want. Now, I know when the Titan came out, they sold out almost instantly, but there will be new stock of that coming in. So you want to check that site on the UK and the US. Also, there is a code there for you to use in checkout as well. It just lets the folks over at Fanhome know that you've come from the World of Wayne YouTube channel. Now, in the first video, you saw the USS Titan. If you haven't seen that video, the link is up there. The Titan is in my special unit that I've got made for these, which is going to be brilliant. I can't wait to add to the Stargazer, but I am going to unbox that for you now. Now, I haven't got any room to unbox it on here, so we're going to need to go to the workshop. Let's do that now. So, as if like that, we're in the workshop. Now, you may have noticed after Christmas, I've had a change around in the workshop. I'll explain all of that soon with this area here and the continuity clock, as I'm calling it. That's the continuity clock there. I'll explain that soon to you as well. But this is the USS Stargazer. This is Picard's old ship. Looking just like that. Now, the box is a similar size to the Titan. We also get a book regarding the USS Stargazer as well in that. Let me show you that first. Now, from what I remember from the show, it was actually the Stargazer that Picard first did the Picard maneuver. But this is what the ship looks like in the show. Each ship does come with its own book, telling you all about the Stargazer here. Looking just like that. Now, I don't know what order these ships are coming in, but as I said, we've had the Titan, we've got the Stargazer now. This is the box it's coming in, and just so you know, box size for dimensions and postage, again, you're looking just shy of 27 centimetres by 18 centimetres. Going to open this up. I haven't opened this at all yet, so the first time I'm seeing this is with you fine people, and it is good to break the seal and see what this looks like together. Okay, I'm getting excited. It's like Christmas again. There you go. Oh, wow. That looks absolutely brilliant. Okay. Once again, we do get the stand, which is protected in plastic here. Let's get that off. Has got a felt base, so if you are putting this on a side, you're not going to scratch your work surface. Once again, we have a holder for this, and that just simply plugs in with these parts going in the direction of this here. And this is what the Stargazer looks like. Check that out. I've got that on the slow camera as well. Now, I will show you this beauty shots when I'm back up in the retro room. But that looks pretty cool. And again, if you want to see size for this, we are looking about 21 centimetres in length by about 12 centimetres wide. And quite simply, the way this goes in is it's just going to be going in this way, just like that. And that's how that's going to be fitting on there. The detail and paintwork is absolutely brilliant on this. And also the way the ambient light hits the nacelles here does look like they're lit up. You'll be able to see a little bit more of that when I've actually got this in the cabinet where I actually film the beauty shots. And I think that's what we're going to do now. So let me show you the beauty shots of the USS Stargazer. And there you go. That is safely in the storage unit there. So I've got 2 ships now. Can't wait in for the third one. Once again, if you do want to get these for yourself, you will have to check if they're available in your territory. I have put the link just down here. You'll be able to follow that link and see if they are available or if the singles are available as well. And don't forget to use that code. But hope you like that insight into the Starships collection from Fanhome. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe. Other than that, take care.